Today I'm going to share with you how to give a presentation about yourself. Yeah, what is the best way to do it? Let's find out. By the way, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Lots of great videos coming up in the areas of presentation, productivity, and habit building. Well, first of all, you have to realize that your introduction presentation can be so important, and there are usually two types. Number one is the presentation, where the whole presentation you're introducing yourself. Yeah, and this can be critical sometimes for your career as well. The second one is equally important. It's the shorter version that you want to deliver at the beginning of your presentations, especially when you're presenting to an audience that doesn't really know you. Make sense? So the tips I'm going to share with you, they work for both of these. Just know that, of course, for the longer one, you need to use more examples. For the shorter one, you can keep it brief. Okay? So number one, and this is really preparation. Yeah, you want to brainstorm. You want to really brainstorm the following two questions. Number one, yeah, what are my biggest achievements? What are achievements that I have? And number two, you want to brainstorm what is unique, what is different about me. Okay? You want to have two lists basically ready. These are the two lists that you want to share with the audience. But first you want to brainstorm. Okay, you want to think about, okay, what could be unique for my audience about me? What are some achievements that they could trust me, that they could believe my credibility? Yeah, first thing you have to do every single time, you got to write that list. Yeah, so brainstorm right away. And number two, now that you have these two lists, now you want to choose what I like to call your top 3 plus 1. Okay? These are the top 3 achievements. And sometimes, by the way, if the introduction is shorter, yeah, it could just be 1 or 2. But I recommend choose 3 achievements, or 2 achievements or 1 achievement. Okay? But 3 achievements and one thing that is unique and special about you. Yeah, your achievements could be whatever. It could be a certain success that you had, like if you work in sales, for example. How many sales have you had over the last 5 years? Yeah, if you're a book author, how many books have you written? What achievements have your books had? Okay, so whatever it might be for you, share those achievements. Okay, share them. And don't make a story now, by the way. Don't say, Ben, I didn't achieve anything. No, all of us have. We all have something. Yeah, the goal here is that your audience believes in you, that you build some credibility with them. So share those 1, 2, or 3 achievements first, that they can trust you. And then after that, you share this one thing, this one special, unique, different thing. It could be a funny thing. I usually recommend something that's funny. You know, for example, my name is Ratje, right? My team and I, we've trained over 150 organizations, 49 of the Fortune Global 500 companies. Also, I'm the author of multiple books. And just to let you know, I'm crazy about cappuccinos. You know, usually an average day, I drink 4 to 5 cappuccinos. Does anybody else here like cappuccinos? So again, it could be anything. Yeah, it could be something just makes you unique, interesting, funny. I could say I've lived in Korea for the last 15 years. Yeah, whatever it might be. But the achievements, they give you the credibility. Yeah, but the last thing that makes you connect with the audience a little bit closer. Does that make sense? Something special, something unique, something they can maybe relate to as well, but that could be a little bit funny. And then tip number 3, the third step, if you will, you want to put everything on the slides. Everything. So for example, if I talk about my 150 organizations, 49 Fortune Global 500s, I want to have some logo on the slides, correct? If I talk about my books, I can put the books on the slides. If I talk about my cappuccinos, I can have multiple photos of me drinking cappuccino on the slides. True? So for you as well, put it on the slides. People remember what they see. True? I mean, think about yourself. What do you remember more? What you hear and what you see, or merely what you hear? It's obvious, correct? PowerPoint, Keynote, Google Slides, they have their purpose. And this is a big one, especially in a self-introduction. And it can be very short. This could be 30 seconds. But you could have 2, 3, 4 slides about yourself in 30 seconds quickly introducing yourself that build credibility and make you connect with the audience. Again, follow this kind of principle, achievements first and then something unique about you, and put it on the slide. Make sure it's there with photographs, with visuals, so they remember it longer. So comment below on time, what are you going to take away from this little video? What are you going to do and change about your introduction presentation? Yeah, let me know in the comment box below. Again, if you haven't done it yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't miss out on future videos, okay? Share it with somebody who you think it might be helpful for as well. Yeah, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. But most importantly, as always, I really look forward to seeing you for the next video.